So the other big problem I'm having, obviously I'm having nothing but problems with this, is it doesn't want to receive MIDI. You can see port both in channel 1, MIDI channel. Well, this is via DIN TRS. Nothing. But it does work. Look, there's volume, keys from the MIDI controller. Nope, and as you can see next to it, it is the MIDI controller has worked as MIDI. So I have this hooked up DIN and USB. So let's go into Ableton. We could see preferences. Donner L1 out. Donner L1 in. MIDI track. MIDI 2. No Donner L1. This does not want to receive MIDI. I got it to work in here one time and that was it. I've restarted it. I've done everything. I don't know what more I can do to make this receive the MIDI. I'll unclick it and click it. Nothing. I'll unplug the USB, plug it back in. That just made my Ableton freeze, whatever, it doesn't matter, it doesn't work. I mean, I've done this a million times.